So, welcome students in class 8th, subject mathematics, exercise first C we were doing. Question number, today we will start 8th. Question number 8. And the question is, the product of two rational numbers is minus 9. If one number is minus 12, if one number is minus 12, then find the other number. Okay, so this is the question, that product of two rational number is 9. Product means answer of multiplication is called the product. Understand? मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आंसर आता है उसे हम कहते हैं प्रोडक्ट. So two rational numbers, this is first rational number and this is second rational number. We have to multiply these both and answer comes minus 9. Understand? And if one number is minus 12, suppose this number is minus 12, then find the other number. So ये number क्या होगा? Okay. So look at here how to find this other number. We can find it. This is in multiply. It will go right hand side and it will convert into divide. ठीक है? तो ये multiply में है minus 12, right में जाएगा, इसमें हो जाएगा divide में. Understand? Instead of question mark, anything you can write. You can write variable also. Suppose x. The second rational number is x. You can put x, y, z, whatever you want. Okay, it is variable. Variable means whose value is not fixed. Means we don't know what is the value of x. We are finding. So minus 12 is in multiply. It will go right hand side and it will convert into divide. So I have told if dividend is negative and divisor is also negative, then that means it is positive rational number. Okay, and positive rational number, that means minus to minus cancelled out. So x is equal to 9 upon 12. Now it can divide by any same number upside and downside. Yes, it can divide by 3. 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So next number is 3 upon 4. So another rational number is 3 upon 4. Means if we multiply minus 12 by 3 upon 4, then our answer should come minus 9. यानी कि अगर हम minus 12 को मल्टीप्लाई करें 3 upon 4 से, तो हमारा आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? minus 9. So let's we verify also. Verify करके देख लेते हैं. 4 1 जा 4, 4 3 ja 12. It can cut like this because multiply sign is there. So now what is there? 3 into minus 3. 3 3 ja 9. Minus 9 upon 1. That means minus 9. Understand? So that means our answer is correct. So another rational number is 3 upon 4. Okay? Now question number 9. Question number 9. Same kind of question. The product of two rational number is minus 16 upon 9. Product of two rational number is minus 9. And if one rational number is minus 4 upon 3, is one rational number is minus 4 upon 3, then find the other rational number. Okay. So look at here, same kind of question. Product means answer of multiplication. So we have to multiply two rational number. Which one? Two rational number we have to multiply, then our answer what should come? Product is minus 16 upon 9. यानी दो रेशनल नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमारा आंसर माइनस 16 अपॉन 9 आना चाहिए. एंड इफ वन रेशनल नंबर, सपोज दिस इज माइनस 4 अपॉन 3, वन रेशनल नंबर इज माइनस 4 अपॉन 3, then what is the other rational number? Suppose other rational number is x. Let another rational number is x. So now it is in multiply, it will go right hand side and it will convert into divide. Okay, so look at here, x is equal to minus 16 upon 9 divided by minus 4 upon 3. Okay, so minus 4 upon 3. So now how we will divide it? Minus 16 upon 9. Now instead of divide, we have to write multiply. Okay, instead of divide we have to write multiply, and after multiplication sign immediately we have to write the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Understand? So that means it would be opposite, ये उल्टा हो जाएगा 3 upon minus 4. Okay, now any number can cut upside and downside. First this minus sign would be cancelled out, and now any number can cut. Yes, 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. Any other number? Yes, clearly I am observing that 3 and 9, these both are divisible by 3. Okay, so we will divide it by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Okay, so now 4 1 ja 4 and 3 1 ja 3. So our answer is 4 upon 3. What is our answer? 4 upon 3. Understand? So how to solve these kind of questions? Product is given, that means multiplication of these both. So one number is given, other number how can we find? This divide by this. Okay, so you can divide this by this and you can find the answer. Okay, now next question, that is, this was question number 9, and now we will solve question number 10. So look at here the question, by what rational number, by what rational number should, by what rational number should we multiply, should minus 8 upon 39, minus 8 upon 39 we multiply to obtain, we multiply to obtain 1 upon 26, 1 upon 26. So this is the question. What is the question? By what rational number should this be multiplied to obtain this? Means इसे हमें किस रेशनल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि हमें क्या मिले? 1 upon 26. Means we have to multiply minus 8 upon 39 by which number, कौन से नंबर से इसे मल्टीप्लाई करें. We don't know what is the value, so we can write x, so we can get 1/26. Similar kind of question, only language is changed, that by what rational number should this 3 be multiplied to obtain this. इसे हम किस रेशनल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमें 1/26 मिले. So that we multiply by x. So this is a multiply, it will go there and it will convert into divide. So x is equal to 1/26 divided by -8/39. Okay. Now method you know very well. How to solve this? 1/26. Now instead of divide, what we have to write? Instead of divide, we have to write multiply. So multiply sign, and after immediate changing the sign, we will write the reciprocal. Means इसका उल्टा कर देंगे. 39/-8. 39/-8. Okay. Now any number can cut upside and downside. Any number? Yes, I am observing that 26 and 39. These both comes in which table? These both come in 13 table. 13 2 ja 26 and 13 3 ja 39. So 3 1 ja 3 and 8 2 ja 16. So -16. So another rational number is 3/-16. यानी कि अगर हम इसे इससे मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? 1/26. So look at here, we can verify also, verification also you can do. Verification you can do like this, कि you can multiply this and this. Okay, so -8/39 multiply by 3/-16. Okay, so let's solve. Minus to minus cancel out because multiply sign is there. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, and 39 and 3 also can divide by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So what answer will come? 1 1 ja 1/13 2 ja 26. Same answer is coming. So that means our answer this is correct. Understood everybody? How to solve this kind of question? So these are the questions which we have done today, and I hope these kind of questions you can solve easily now. Understood everybody? So thank you.